Did you know that approximately 463 million adults worldwide are living with diabetes? That's about 1 in 11 adults. Blood sugar management, though it may sound like a medical jargon, is a crucial aspect of our health that demands our attention. This isn't merely about preventing diabetes or controlling it. It's about leading a healthy, balanced life. Our body functions like a finely tuned machine, with blood sugar or glucose acting as the fuel. The right balance of this fuel is essential for our body's optimal performance. Too high, and we risk conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and even stroke. Too low, and we're looking at hypoglycemia, which can lead to seizures or loss of consciousness. It's a delicate balance, but a vital one. So, whether you're living with diabetes, at risk, or simply interested in maintaining a healthy lifestyle, blood sugar management is key. Keeping your blood sugar levels in check is crucial, not just for those with diabetes, but for everyone. But before we dive into the management, it's vital to understand what blood sugar is. Blood sugar, also known as glucose, is a type of sugar that enters your body through the foods you eat. This sugar is one of the main sources of energy for your body, especially your brain. So, when you consume food, your body breaks it down into glucose and other nutrients, which are then absorbed into your bloodstream. The glucose levels in your blood are what we refer to as your blood sugar levels. Now, to use this glucose efficiently, your body needs insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas. Insulin essentially acts as a key, unlocking your body's cells to let glucose in. Once inside, the glucose is either used immediately for energy or stored for later use. But what happens when things go awry? When blood sugar levels are too high, it's called hyperglycemia. This can occur when your body doesn't produce enough insulin or when it can't effectively use the insulin it does produce. Over time, high blood sugar levels can lead to serious health complications, including heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, vision problems, and nerve damage. On the flip side, if your blood sugar levels are too low, a condition known as hypoglycemia, your body doesn't have enough energy to function properly. This can lead to symptoms like confusion, dizziness, and even unconsciousness in severe cases. Prolonged periods of low blood sugar can also be harmful, potentially damaging your brain and other vital organs. So, maintaining a balance is crucial. Your body generally does a great job at this, but sometimes it might need a little help. That's where understanding your blood sugar and knowing how to manage it becomes essential. Now that we have a clear understanding of blood sugar, let's move on to how we can manage it. One of the most effective ways to manage blood sugar is through our diet. Yes, it's that simple, yet so profound. Our bodies are like machines, and the food we consume is the fuel. If we fill it with the wrong kind of fuel, the machine falters, and things go haywire. That's precisely what happens when we consume foods that spike our blood sugar levels. A balanced diet is not about strict restrictions or depriving yourself of the foods you love. Rather, it's about feeling great, having more energy, and stabilizing your mood, all while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Sounds like a win-win, doesn't it? When it comes to foods that help maintain stable blood sugar levels, fiber-rich foods are your best friends. Foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are high in fiber, which slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and prevents spikes in blood glucose. Proteins are another essential part of this equation. They not only help stabilize blood sugar levels, but also keep you feeling full and satisfied. Foods like fish, lean meats, eggs, and tofu are great sources of protein. Healthy fats found in avocados, nuts and seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish also play a role in blood sugar control by slowing down digestion and keeping your blood sugar levels stable. On the flip side, there are foods to avoid or at least limit. These include sugary drinks, white bread, pastries, and other highly processed foods. They can cause your blood sugar to spike and then crash, leading to a cycle of high and low blood sugar levels. But remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also when and how much. Eating regular meals and snacks throughout the day can help prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes. All these pieces of the puzzle come together to create a balanced diet. It's not just about managing blood sugar levels, but also about overall health and well-being. So let's embrace this journey of healthy eating with open arms and open minds. Remember, a balanced diet is key to keeping blood sugar levels in check. It's not just about the destination, but also about the journey. And this journey is all about making healthy choices. Another crucial factor in managing blood sugar is physical activity. Now, when we say physical activity, we're not necessarily talking about strenuous, sweat-drenched gym sessions. It can be as simple as a brisk walk in the park, a 20-minute yoga routine, or even a dance class. The point here is regularity and consistency. Regular exercise has a direct effect on your blood sugar levels. Here's how it works. When you engage in physical activity, your muscles need more energy to function. This energy comes from glucose, which is essentially sugar. So the more you move, the more glucose your muscles use, and the lower your blood sugar levels become. But there's more to it. Regular exercise also increases insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the hormone that helps your cells absorb glucose from your bloodstream. When your body becomes more sensitive to insulin, it can use that glucose more effectively, further helping maintain healthy blood sugar levels. So, what kind of exercises should you be doing? Well, the answer is quite simple. Anything that gets you moving. Aerobic exercises like walking, running, swimming, or cycling are great for burning glucose. Strength training, like lifting weights or doing resistance exercises, can help increase muscle mass, which in turn helps your body use glucose more efficiently. Flexibility exercises, like yoga and stretching, can also contribute to overall health and well-being. If you're new to exercise or have been inactive for a while, it's important to start slow. Begin with short bursts of activity, like a 10-minute walk, and gradually increase the duration and intensity as your fitness level improves. Remember, it's not about how hard you push yourself, but about making physical activity a regular part of your routine. And of course, before starting any new exercise regimen, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. They can help tailor an exercise plan that is safe and suitable for your individual needs. It's clear then, regular exercise can go a long way in managing your blood sugar. Regular checkups and proper medication are also essential in managing blood sugar. Let's delve into the significance of regular medical examinations. The beauty of these checkups is that they allow for early detection. Early detection of what, you might ask? Well, any fluctuations in your blood sugar levels. These variations can be a sign of potential health issues that need to be addressed promptly. Regular checkups provide an opportunity for your healthcare provider to monitor your blood sugar levels, identify any potential problems, and adjust your treatment plan accordingly. Remember, managing blood sugar isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's a tailored plan, specifically crafted to suit your body's needs. And this plan can only be effectively executed with the help of regular medical checkups. Now let's talk about medication. Medication plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels. And it's not just about taking medication. It's about taking the right medication at the right time. Some people may need medication to help their bodies use the insulin they produce more effectively, while others may need insulin therapy. Your healthcare provider will determine the best course of treatment based on your individual needs. Imagine medication as your trusty sidekick, always there to help you maintain your blood sugar levels. However, this sidekick can only work effectively if taken as directed. Skipping doses or not taking your medication as prescribed can lead to fluctuations in your blood sugar levels, which can have serious consequences. So, it's not just about having medication, it's about responsibly sticking to your medication schedule. If you experience any side effects, or if your medication doesn't seem to be working, don't hesitate to discuss this with your healthcare provider. They're there to help you navigate through this journey. Remember, managing blood sugar is a team effort. It involves you, your healthcare provider, regular checkups, and proper medication. Stay in touch with your healthcare provider and never miss your medication. Managing blood sugar might seem daunting, but with these steps, it becomes doable and less overwhelming. We've covered the importance of understanding what blood sugar is and why it's crucial to our health. Keeping a balanced diet filled with nutrient-rich foods is key in maintaining a healthy blood sugar level. Regular exercise also plays a significant role in managing blood sugar, helping your body use insulin more effectively. Don't underestimate the importance of regular checkups and sticking to your medication regimen if applicable. Regular monitoring allows you to know your blood sugar levels and adjust your management plan accordingly. Medication, when prescribed, is a vital tool in keeping your blood sugar in a safe range. All these steps, when combined, create a comprehensive approach to managing your blood sugar. Remember, managing your blood sugar is not just for diabetics. It's a healthy habit that everyone should incorporate into their lifestyle.